is running pretty good. Not too many issues right now. And there you go, your twin clutch SST. So that is available in the Evo MRs. And then, of course, the Ralliart gang. Make sure you do your, this is actually one of the biggest maintenance things that you should be doing on your car routinely. Definitely a good way to keep your SST in good tip-top shape. And overall maintenance, big one to do. And on other news, I just can't wait to move. Florida is calling our name. California, you've been fun, but ready for new journeys. What's up, guys? So I actually got some news. I'm on my way to Mitsubishi and it's the day. I'm at 30,000 miles, so I'm gonna be changing my SST fluid. Well, not me, but the Mitsubishi dealership. I had plans originally to do it, but other plans got in the way. I got injured and unfortunately I can't do it myself. And I'm kind of on a time crunch because we're moving soon. So I figured why not just let Mitsubishi do it anyways. So that's where I'm headed, and then also I gotta get my car shipped out across the country. But in order to ship it, they gotta make sure everything's clear on recalls. So while we're out there, I got a letter in the mail saying the airbag has a recall on it, so I'm gonna make sure all that stuff can get taken care of, and then we'll be ready to move, and SST will be happy with a nice fluid change. I do want to give a shout out to Pedro. He actually sold me the SST fluid, the Diet Queen, and very helpful, and he also gave me the reusable filter. I think it's the SMP, I think it is. Don't quote me on that, I'll have to double check. But since I'm taking it to the dealer, unfortunately I can't use that. As they said, it would void warranty and they wouldn't be liable for that. So I'm gonna have to cough up the extra money. $95 they quoted me for the OEM filter, which is better anyways. But with that being said, since I can't do the fluid change, I couldn't make a video for you guys. I'm sorry about that. There's already one floating around on YouTube, but I was gonna put my own little twist on it. But with that being said, do look for an experiment. I plan on doing a little experiment with SST fluid and some filters, so stay tuned for that, and I'll post that later on if everything works out the way I want it to. Down in Mitsubishi, and I don't know if I'll be able to record down there. If I can, I'll keep you guys updated. If not, I'll see you once everything's done, and yeah. Alright, leftover fluid. They actually gave me my filter back, so I'll take a look at that when I get home. And the receipt for service. Oh, let's see how smooth she drives now. So I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people say when they change their transmission fluid that it's a lot smoother, but I mean, granted, it probably is if you don't have like a newer car. So my car only has, like I said, 30,000 miles, but it's still acting the same way it was prior. I mean, it's been as smooth as butter before and after the recent oil change. So that being said, I don't really have anything to base that off, but everybody on Ralliart Revolution and more experienced SST individuals, they all describe as it being more smooth and everything like that. So make sure you do your maintenance. On a side note, I don't know if you guys got that Chick-fil-A song yet. It went viral maybe like a month ago, but Chick-fil-A, Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I got me some Chick-fil-A today. But yeah, going home, and then I'll show you guys the filter up close and personal, and then see what kind of residue is still on there, see what color the oil was, to be exact. I got to take a look at it at Mitsubishi, but just as it was draining into a drip pan, so didn't get an in-depth view, but everything looked like it was kosher. So I guess we'll see once we get home. And like I showed you guys already, they gave me the extra fluid left for my experiment I'll be doing.
in the top leader. Chick-fil-A, I want some Chick-fil-A. Hey.
Right there you go. Chick-fil-A song by Contraband Slim. Make sure you go and listen to it. It's pretty funny. And to follow up, there was no recalls in my car, so good thing I guess, but kind of weird they sent something in the mail if there wasn't a recall. Maybe it was just a generic one where they just decided to hand out to everybody. Not sure. Look at these bare walls, everybody. So half the house is packed right now, and then half the other house isn't packed right now. But Shirley is coming through. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch real quick, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna show you. All right, somebody's home and trying to sabotage the video. However, let's go ahead and see what this oil filter looks like, the coloration and everything. So I have it sit on a napkin. Like I said, we're moving out, so we don't really have all the supplies we typically would. Let's go ahead and see what color it is. Ooh, and that thing is black. Alright, so as you guys can tell, that's definitely not green the way it should look. So, yeah, and all the debris were pretty much caught. I couldn't really see at the dealership. But that's definitely black and not green, so good thing to know that the fluid change was definitely needed. If you guys don't know, this is originally white, which it no longer is. And for strictly references, here's the SSP. Alright, so this is the reusable one. A lot cleaner, but it's not OEM or anything. So this is what I was going to use, but the dealership said that wouldn't be part of the warranty. And here's what the OEM one looks like. Pretty similar in size, the filter itself. So I'm going to do an experiment. I'm going to buy a new OEM one. I'm going to use the oil. I'm going to put some junk in the oil, little minerals and stuff, and see what filters out more. We'll see if this catches more or if that catches more. So that's the plan for that, since I couldn't obviously do the SST fluid change myself. Stay tuned for this little experiment I'll be doing.